All right. So let's continue, Danny. Here, what are some chores that you hate the most?
Mm, I hate cleaning the floor the most
Why is that?
because I do many things when I cleaning the floor, and when I cleaning the floor I feel so hot and tired. I don't like it.
Ah, yes. Okay, I understand what you mean. Because especially if we clean the floor and we haven't taken a shower yet, it feels so hot and you feel like, oh my God, I'm living in hell if you do it. So you know the best way to clean the floor is to take a shower first so that you'll have a peaceful mind when you clean it. But that is also one thing that I don't like, cleaning the floor. I just want to mop it and other person will uh pre-clean it before me. Yes. Okay, so what about doing the dishes? Do you like doing the dishes?
Mm, um, mm, I don't like
Oh, okay. Why?
because mm, the disease sometimes is very messy, and mm, and I feel uncomfortable when I touch it.
Oh, yes. Okay, I can relate to that one, Danny. Okay, so me too. I like it. I like to do the dishes when all the plates are cleaned and arranged already. But if there are some leftover food on it and they would put it in a basin, I hate it. Yes. So if it's gonna be my turn to do the dishes at home, I would tell my siblings to separate the leftover food immediately before they put it in the sink. I mean, before they put the plates in the sink, so that it's gonna be so clean and very easy to wash. Because I don't want to deal with all the oil on my hand, some other sauce, and extra things. Okay, so here, these are just sample answers. So you will be A and I'll be B.
Mm, I hate doing the dishes the most. It's always need to be done at the worst possible time. Right after I have eaten a nice filling meal, when all I really want to do is relax and let some of the food digest in peace. But no, instead of watching TV or reading a magazine for a half hour, I have to collect all the dishes, utensils, pots, and pans. Take them to the sink, turn on the hot water, and scrub until they are all clean. By then, the television and magazine have lost their appeal, and it's time to start getting the kids ready for bed.
Very good, Danny. Okay, so any question about the answer of the person A?
Mm, ah, utensil. I don't like.
Utensils.
I
Okay,
don't
when we
know
say
this one.
utensils, this refers to all the spoons, the fork, and some cutleries that we use when we eat. Yes, those are utensils. If your teacher would tell you, okay, tomorrow we're going to have a party because school is about to end. Don't forget to bring some plates, glass, and utensils. Then you might think, oh, well, oh, I know utensils. Just bring spoon and fork or some chopsticks. Chopsticks is considered utensil too,
Mm.
like that. Okay, so in here, any more?
No.
No more. Okay, so here, Danny, I want you to say digest.
Digest.
Very good. And we have the sample answer in B. There's no chore like cleaning the floor. It is quite literally back-breaking labor to crawl around on my hands and knees with a rag and scrub the floor down to a bright polish. The worst thing is, it seems like as soon as I finish, it needs to be done all over again. I hate it. Oh, I think you can relate to this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is one thing. This is probably one of the reason why you don't like cleaning the floor. Okay, so anyway, here I'm gonna ask you a question. Who does the cooking in your family?
Mm, my dad is the cookie in my family.
Okay, thank you for that, Danny. So Danny, in here, when we say cooking, that is a gerund verb, a verb that ends in ing. So if I'm gonna ask you who does the cooking in your family, and you answer, my dad is the cooking in my family. Okay, I understand what you mean, but when it comes to grammar, it's better if you can say, my dad is the one, okay, who does the cooking in my family, like that. Okay, because if you say my dad is the cooking in my family, then it's like your dad is the one that you are cooking in your family. Does that make sense? Yeah, it has a different meaning, but of course I understand what you mean. So you meant like this. Could you please say it again?
My dad is the one who does the cooking in my family.
Very good. Okay, now number 2. Who does the grocery shopping at your home?
Mm, my mom, my mom, uh, grocery shopping at my home.
Yes, so it is your mom. Uh do you go when your mom would do the grocery shopping?
Mm, maybe yes.
Very good. Okay, what are the things that your mom usually buy at the grocery store?
My mom usually buy um rice, meat and meat, vegetable, fruit, and um some snack I like.
Wow, very good. Okay, what about the dishes in your house? Who does it?
Eat.
You, great. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you to see if you really know how to do the dishes. How do you do the dishes in your house? Could you please tell me what are the steps in doing the dishes?
Oh, mm, first I put the dishes to the sink, the sink, and then I put the hot water uh, until mm, can I wait about 5 minutes and after that I wash the dishes. Yeah, interesting.
Thank you for that one, Danny. Okay. So yeah, we really have our own style in doing the dishes. Me, okay, this is how I do the dishes at home. First, when I see that all the dishes are already in the sink, I would separate them. If there are some food, I would put them aside in one plate. Put all the food, remaining food in one plate, then organize the dishes first. Plate, utensils, glasses, and some bowls. Okay, the first thing that I wash are the plates. Why? Because it consumes so much space in the sink. Second, the glasses. Third, the utensils. And lastly are the big pot. And that's the hatest. I mean, that's one of the hatest thing that I want to, I mean, that is the thing that I really hate the most in washing the dishes, especially if the pots has some black parts on the back of it because they would use it in the dirty kitchen. Do you have a dirty kitchen, Danny?
Mm, yeah.
Okay. How does your dirty kitchen look like? I'm not referring to the literal dirty kitchen. Some of the dirty kitchen are outside our house. Okay, just like this one. This is a typical dirty kitchen in the Philippines. What about in your country? Do you have this kind of dirty kitchen idea?
Yes.
Wow, great. Okay, thank you for sharing that. So next question, Danny. What chores does your brother help with?
So, my dad,
Your brother.
um, mm, I think cleaning, cleaning his room and cleaning all my all, all of the room in my house. My younger brother will help you will help me.
Very good. Okay, how old were you, Danny, when you started helping your mom in doing the household chores?
I don't know, but maybe I 8 years old.
When you were 8. Very good,
Yeah.
because at a very young age, you already know how to do the household chores. Yes, it's a matter of responsibility as a kids. And that is also for your own good. Because when you become a wife one day, then you already know all the things that you have to do at your own house. Okay, it's a good practice, actually. Okay, anyway, did you just have a haircut?
Okay.
Did you just have a haircut?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it looks nice that you cut your hair short. Yeah, very ideal for summer.
Hair is, oh,
Oh, okay. Because when I asked you, did you just got a haircut? And you said yes. And I was like, oh, it's nice that you have. So you just bun it. You just keep it like this one. Okay, so anyway, Danny, thank you so much. By the way, on next week, we'll start with a new schedule during the weekdays because I still have to pursue with my master's program and my classes are Saturdays and Sundays. So I won't have much time to teach on weekends anymore. Yes, but don't worry because we informed your mom already about it. So do you have any question before we end?
Mm.
Okay, thank you so much, Denny. Have a great day and see you next week. Bye.
Bye.